Hi, my name is Joachim Kabamba and I founded Kabamba Aerospace back in 2008. We provide the following services related to aircraft engines. Engine maintenance consulting, which starts with review of shop visit proposal, selection of maintenance provider, cost estimate review, on-site table inspection, review of final shop visit invoice and technical documentation. This takes us to independent and impartial expert witness statements where we help settle disputes. Also, related to expert witness statements, we also provide engine valuations where we analyze the technical documentation of an engine to determine its current market value. We also provide engine borescope inspections, mainly on Pratt & Whitney Canada PT6, JT15D and PW100 engine series. Last but not least, we provide power-by-the-hour calculations. With our proprietary PBH calculation software, we establish medium to long-term forecasts on engine maintenance events and cost. Many airlines and corporate operators cannot justify employing a power plant engineer due to the low annual number of maintenance events. Kabamba Aerospace offers 25 years and more than 500 shop visits of experience to help manage engine maintenance events. We communicate in many languages. Wir sprechen Deutsch, aussi nous parlons français, y finalmente hablamos castellano. Basically, we are the dedicated and experienced power plant engineer that many operators never had. Take a look at our website at kabamba.aero to find out what we can do for you.